Hi, Blue Jays. It's Mrs. Harmon. I miss all of you so much. Miss Werner is going to be recording a video for you to see this Friday. And if you stay tuned in right now, I'm going to tell you how you might be able to see both of us and some of your friends today. But first, I want you to look at what I'm pointing at right here. So right here you see the day's lesson, and then it says don't forget to click turn in at the top when you are finished. In your Chromebook, after you've typed everything, up where mine says share, yours says turn in. You need to turn it in after you have finished all of your work. Okay, then you notice it says click here for teacher directions on this page. If you click right on these blue words, it brings this up, and then you just press play. After you listen to that, you need to get back into this document and continue going through it. It's like this for any time you're doing EL. It'll be in a Google document. And when there's a read aloud or instructions, it will say click here for teacher directions or click here for a read aloud. Okay, let's keep going through the document. I see a spot where it says that you will be typing something in. It says click next to each bullet point to add a noun. So you will need to click in here and type your answers. Then we get to check your work after you turn it in. So make sure that you're typing your answers in before you turn it in. Okay, and then here's another spot to listen for directions. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down a little bit more, and I see another place where you need to enter some answers. It says to put an X in the box if the argument appears in that text. So basically, you need to figure out which box you want to put an X in, and that is also where you'll be putting your work. Last, you have an article to read, and then there's a read aloud right here. At the bottom, there's another very important section where it says type here. Make sure that you type in your introduction and your focus statement. And then on Friday, you get to write your details and your conclusion. Okay, so after you've typed everything in, look, it even tells you what to do at the very bottom. No, it sure doesn't. You're going to go up here and you're going to click turn in, and then bing, it pops into Miss Werner and I, and we get to see what you typed. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is today, Wednesday, we're going to do something called a Zoom meeting. So you know how you can see me here? When you go click on the link that we put in the classroom, it will make it so that you pop into the screen, and so do your friends. Anyone that comes to the Zoom meeting will get to see each other on the screen. So I'm going to put a link up at 11:50 to get into a Zoom meeting if you would like to come. You do not have to, but I would love to see you, and this would be your chance to be able to see some friends. So what you'll do is you'll click on the link, and then after you click on the link, it says Open Zoom. You'll click that and then put in the password. The lunch or little meeting will officially start at noon tomorrow or 12. But the link will pop up at 11. Miss Werner also wanted me to tell you guys that she's noticed you've been working very hard in CKLA. She just wants to make sure that you answer all of the questions, read carefully, and make sure that you submit that every day. And a last reminder about math. Every day you will have a math assignment, so it will either be in Khan Academy or a Google form. It's listed in your calendar each day, so make sure that you check that. All right, we miss all of you so much and can't wait to see you hopefully tomorrow or today, Wednesday. All right, bye, Blue Jays.